Hi friends, this is Pradeep from Wigs Designs. So today we have come up with one more video. This is lady stopper. So we will be showing you how we fix to the head. So keep watching this video till the end. Thank you. This is we are putting in hair topper for her. So this is the way. Initially we have to take some hair in the front and implant this base to her head. So 4 clips will be there. We have to attach it and we have to comb it. Now see, it has been inlined to her hair. So nobody can see her. This